Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another chapter, emerging mode of business. We human currently live in a digital age, which is also known as the information age. With the introductions of personal computer, the internet, the entire business environment has changed significantly. This technological change have attempt to transfer information fairly and quickly across the border. Transformation of mobile phone from communication to access information literally from the tip of our finger seem like the best and most innovative change our generation has seen in recent years. So we see the scope and application of information technology in business and utility and relate benefit across industry and the emergence of e-business as a growing sector. Before discussing the e-business, we come to know about the what is e-commerce. E-commerce is actual transaction involving purchase or sale product service completely over the computer mediated network using the internet. The term e-business was first used in 1997 by US based company IBM. E-commerce or electronic commerce is a part of e-business that involve trading in product service using electronic network like computer, mobile phone, internet, etc. They are used interchangeable, but they are not considered to be a same. E-business it is a organized effort to individual to produce or sell product or service that safety society and need through the facility available on the internet by generating profit. Today, e-business industry has created a niche for itself to become one of the largest growing business service in the world. E-commerce is the actual transaction involving the purchase or sale service completely over the computer network using internet. E-business or electronic business operate manage e-commerce transaction by providing relevant resources, information technology, system enabling facilities for production and distribution, sale, payment, fulfillment, restocking, and marketing. So we can say that an e-business is facilitating buying and selling of product and service through the internet. As the facilitator, customer can have the access to require product service through their website, are not required to be personally visit a physical and fixed structure. Now, what is the scope of e-business? The scope of e-business refers to whether the e-commerce activity and educated entirely within the boundary of the single organization or educated across the boundaries of an organization and educated between the different organizations. E-business mainly influence the inter-organizational activities leading to dynamic collaboration between the business, government, customer, media, and many other stakeholders integrate through the information technology for both communication processing of information. The scope of e-business and their collaboration across stakeholders can be further explained in the terms types of customer facility to carry out the trade and commerce. Now B2B e-commerce. B2B or business to business e-commerce is a commerce conduct between the business over internet. This trade can be conducted between the business its supply chain as well as between a business and other business customer. B2B market where B2B commerce is conducted involve transaction between the buyer and seller or through the third parties. For example, India Mart is one of the Indian largest B2B online marketplace that connected buyer like small medium enterprises, large enterprises and individual to purchase thousands of products like refrigerator part, led lights, automation system, machinery, etc. for supplier across more than 50 industry in India. Thank you.